record something. First thing we do is we poke the button to launch the workspace. Then we need to tell it where we want to record from. So let's go up here and click this recorder button. It'll pop up this dialog which says where we're going to go. I need to put in the URL there. It'll remember the last one you put in. So I've already done this once, obviously, and it's going to W3 schools. Click OK. It'll navigate there, and then you'll see two different things in these cards. The top one is the last recorded user action, which is just going to that URL, and at the bottom this is the expecting result. So this is what you expect to see after you do this action. So you have to wait till this thing looks like you want it to. It looks like we want it to right now, so now we can do our next action. So let's try a mouse move. So I'm just moving the mouse around here, and you should be able to see that the mouse icon or cursor rather changed to something different. It's sort of waiting, Brimstone is waiting for you to stop moving. So let's stop up here, like on the learn. If you look back over to the last recorded user action, it shows you where it moved to, and then the expecting result is what the screen should look like after you've moved there. And since there's no hover effect or anything by moving the mouse here, that is what we expect it to look like. So that means we can start the next action. So let's say I move it, start moving it around, and I'm going to go and stop on this thing here, which does have a hover action. It made it a little bit darker. And you'd have to wait for the expecting result down at the bottom to show it a little bit darker. It happens so fast that you don't have to worry about it now because it's right. I'll do one more. I guess I'll move here into the into this search bar, and then I'll do a click. So this is just a single left click. And now it's ready to start typing. So I guess I'll type JAVA. And what it does is it bunches up your keystrokes. And so I've typed Java, and then it took a picture. And so after typing JAVA, you can see the expecting screen is expecting to show some hints. And then I'll write script, CRIPT. And again, I waited for that expecting result to look like I want. And I hit enter. And let's see, that's enough of those operations. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, how about we save this one? I'll stop it first. So stop recording, go up here, and you poke this button, and that takes the last picture. And now we can, how about we play it back? So let's rewind, and we'll just hit play. And it should go through all the actions that we just did and play it back, and it happened kind of fast. But that's good. It passed. And now how about we save it to disk? Let's reuse that name. Okay, and now we can like clear it. We can throw this whole thing out. We could start over. And so like we come to an empty screen. This is how you would load one. You could either go up here to the file actions or just click this button to quickly load it. That's the one we just did. Here you can look through it. So these buttons up here let you navigate back and forth through. I'll make this real big. That didn't help because of the aspect ratio very much, so did it. So you can move through these operations, and you can go back and forth and sort of see what it's supposed to do. And I'll show you how to edit it later, but you can also then just click to play it again. And that's probably enough for this tutorial. Talk to you later. Bye.